I'm Marcia with the University of Missouri Extension Master Gardeners of Greater Kansas City. I have a quick tip to show you how to tell if your old seeds are good by performing an easy germination test. Your goal will be to have an 80% or higher germination rate, which means that 80% of the seeds will, under right conditions, produce a seedling. To perform this easy test, dampen a paper towel. Place 10 of your seeds onto the paper towel, fold the towel over the seeds. Place in a plastic bag, seal it, and label the bag with the seed variety, the date, the days to germination. Your seed packets will give you all of this information. Place the plastic bag in a warm environment. Keep an eye on them to make sure they stay moist. Once your days to germination grows close, start checking your seeds. Once the germination date is passed, you can make your decision. If 8 to 10 of the seeds sprout, you have an 80% or greater germination rate. These seeds would be good to plant. However, if less than 8 of your seeds sprout, the germination rate is lower than 80%. You could plant extra seeds to make up for the low germination, but you should probably throw them out and buy new seeds. That's it. If you do your testing close to planting time, you can gently plant your germinated seeds. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, see you in the garden.